Hi everyone, I'm Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. If you are new to my channel, then please click the red color subscribe button. It's free for you all but means a lot to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, then please click the bell notification. Once you click that, click on options and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for your patience. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing the box Fetish subscription box, which is more of cosmetics related, and it is my first impression. The box is priced at Rs 599 with 50 rupees as shipping, and they also have a COD option available. So now let's quickly see the box. And I also have a coupon code for you all. So if you like the box, towards the end of the video, you can use Merry05 to avail a 5% off on this box. So this is how the box looks. It's a jet black color matte box with its logo, and it also says box Fetish in this glittery gold color. The box material is thin, it's not very hard, and let's quickly see all the contents. So the first product in the box is the Me Now Generation 2 Mascara. Now this mascara says that it is instant and intense effect mascara, and here also on the back side the information says that it's a kind of mascara with stable quality, fast formulation and no lumps. It can bind up with the eyelashes evenly and safely but without any irritation. It is waterproof and makeup proof. It can maintain makeup effect for a long time. So that's something really nice. There's no MRP mentioned here, but it is a 3.2 ml product. It's made in China, and the MRP which I have got from the box people, it says Rs 249. So this is how the packaging looks. I absolutely liked the packaging. It's superb, and it's also got this lady with wings embossed all over it. Mentioned that the manufacturing date is August 2017 and the expiry is August 2020. So that's something nice. It says that, I think this is the product code or the number 01C. So the wand looks quite big, and there is a lot of excess of mascara which has come out right now, but the bristles look small for easy application, and you can always remove the excess of mascara. So the next product is from ADS, and this is their Cutie Lip Balm. I really liked the packaging. The packaging is so cute and quirky. This is how the lip balm looks. It's like a shocking pink color, and the best part is all the ingredients are also mentioned here. It's a 2.3 gram of product. The one thing which I would like to mention here is that the technology used behind this lip balm is that when you apply it on the lips, it reacts with the lips color and it gives you that natural lip color. So let's quickly see a swatch. You can see that it's a very faint, very mild pink color. So when you apply this on your lips, this will react to your lips color and the lips color will be more enhanced. Then the next product is from French Idol. This is their bright white 2-in-1 BB compact and cream, and this one says it is oil free. If you guys remember that recently I had got a product from French Idol. I think it was an eyeshadow in another subscription box, and the eyeshadow was really well pigmented, and on the cover it also mentions that the Light Sense powder and cream blemishes the skin with its effective moisturizing formula containing vitamins B5E, derivatives P as well as mineral water. The super high SPF 50 for ultra protection from harmful sun rays provides a longer effect. This lightweight powder gives medium coverage and helps even out skin tone. So this is how it looks. I'll quickly open this, and they have mentioned that it is best before October 2019, and this one is priced at Rs 419. The body of the compact looks like it's got this reflective surface, and once you open this you can see there is this layer of compact, and just below the compact there is a layer of cream, and below this they have also given a sponge applicator. So I really like the idea of this 2-in-1 compact, and I feel, you know, it's quite pigmented. You can see here, and I'll also try and show it to you how the cream looks. So this is how the cream is. So I really liked it. It does not feel like, the cream is a little sticky, but maybe after applying this and then applying the compact, it will settle down to a beautiful matte. Then the next product is from NYN, and this one says it's new formula and the lipstick. So the lipstick says it moisturizes skin, giving a healthy glow. I'm not sure about this. Your Beautiful Life, is it a shade name or what it is? So it's like a bottle shaped and it looks really quirky. It also has all the ingredients list mentioned here, so that's nice. And the price quoted by the box is rupees 299. So this is how the color of the lipstick looks like. The color choices I think will be different for all of you all. The shade number is 103, which is mentioned here. So let's quickly see a swatch. How the color looks, it's like, a brownish red, I would say, with like cool undertones, and it's quite pigmented and creamy on application. Then moving towards the last product, it is from Miss Ebony. Now this nail paint is quick dry nail color, is long lasting, and it stays for about a week without wearing off. And the price mentioned by the box for this is rupees 160, and the shade number is 226. And to book the box, you might be thinking how you can differ the lipstick shade and the nail paint or the compact color. You can ask them section, you can request them about what colors you like and what is your preference, and that's how you can alter the color or probably share your preferences. Otherwise there is no option as such of choosing or selecting anything. And these were all the products which I got. Now all the products which I have got are at random, but I honestly liked the selection because all of the colors are like my favorite, and I also liked this 2-in-1 compact and cream formulation. The packaging is superb. It also has a mirror, so like you can carry it whenever you are traveling, and the mascara also does look promising. So these were all the products which I got for rupees 599 in the box Fetish box for the month of January. And if you also like this box, then you can book the box by using my coupon code as Merry05 to avail a 5% discount on the box. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you all to make a choice, and if so, then please do give this video a big thumbs up for my efforts. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe because it means a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.